Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to ensure your WhatsApp media looks just right when you're using the PC app, there's a simple setting that many people miss. Today, we're walking through how to set your media upload quality to standard for WhatsApp on PC with the latest update so your photos and videos balance quality and file size perfectly. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. The familiar layout should pop up with all your chats listed on the left and messages on the right. This is the hub where you'll adjust your media sharing preferences without leaving your desk. Next, look to the left side menu for the gear icon. This little wheel is your gateway to settings. Click it to dive into the app's configuration options. You'll be greeted by a clean, organized menu that makes finding specific features straightforward. Even if you're new to the desktop version, from the settings hub, navigate to chats. This section houses all the chat-related preferences, including how your media is uploaded and stored. It's the place where you control the flow of your visual content to your contacts and groups. Inside chats, find media upload quality. This option controls how WhatsApp handles photos and videos you send. Selecting this setting lets you decide the balance between file size and image fidelity. For most everyday uses, standard quality provides a reliable compromise that keeps messages moving quickly without sacrificing too much detail. Choose standard quality. By selecting this, your media uploads will be optimized for faster sending and reduced data usage, which is especially helpful if you're sharing from a slower connection or managing limited storage. The standard setting preserves essential details while keeping the file sizes reasonable, so friends and family can view content smoothly, even on busy networks. A quick tip: if you ever need sharper images for a moment, you can switch back to higher quality for specific sends. But for daily messaging, standard quality tends to deliver a steady, dependable experience across different devices and connections. That's all there is to it. With these few clicks, you've set your WhatsApp media uploads to standard quality on the PC app, ensuring a consistent, efficient sharing experience without worrying about bloated files or slow uploads.